Abracadabra! Abba-dabba!
Today, Peppa, Evie and George are playing with magic wands Granny Pig has made for them.
Ziggity-wibbity-way!
Oh, hello.
George's hearing aid helps him hear everything better, especially Daddy Pig's sneezes.
Sorry, George. Seems something's giving me the... I wonder what it is.
Come on, George. Let's find out what's causing Daddy's mystery chews.
Ah, magic detectives now, are you?
Yes. What did you do while we were at Granny and Grandpa's?
Well, first, I mowed the grass.
Aha!
The magic detectives are looking for some evidence.
Very grassy.
Yes, but... Oh, mowing the grass didn't make me sneeze before.
Oh, must be something else. What else did you do?
I tidied some toys that some little piggies had left out.
To the playroom. No. Aha! Teddy! Very woolly.
Yes, but I was fine when... Oh,
Teddy's got the itches.
I don't think Teddy gave me the itches.
Oh. What else did you do?
I had lunch, a cheese sandwich. I made one for Mummy Pig too.
Stop, Mummy! That sandwich is bad!
Oh!
It's just a cheese sandwich. Sorry, Pickle.
Peppa and George think the sandwich might be causing Daddy's issues, but it doesn't look like it was the sandwich after all.
Sorry, Mummy. We still don't know what's causing the itches. It's impossible.
Achoo!
Yes, Evie. We can use our wands to stop Daddy's itches. Abracadabra!
Achoo! Hey, what are those ones made of?
Granny said they're made of ribbon and love. Oh, and lavender.
Aha! That's it! Achoo! I'm allergic!
To ribbon? Love?
To lavender!
Oh, Daddy Pig is allergic to the lavender wands. That's why he kept going.
Achoo!
And Daddy Pig was right as well. Sometimes the answers are right there under your nose. Today, Mummy Pig has a cold.
Bless you.
Thank you.
So Peppa, George and Daddy Pig are all looking after her.
Mummy, Dr. Daddy says that we need to take your temperature with this thermometer.
OK, nurse. But don't get too close. I don't want you catching a cold as well.
Don't worry, I never get ill. Here you are.
Thank you, Daddy Pig.
Mummy Pig's temperature is high, which means she isn't very well.
Oh no, George. You've got Mummy's cold.
Well, I prescribe you a day in bed too.
Don't worry, George. We'll look after you. Come on, Dr. Daddy.
Coming, Nurse Pepper.
Peppa and Daddy spend the whole day looking after Mummy Pig and George. They keep them cool. They make them lunch.
Whoa!
And they make sure they have lots and lots of tissues.
Don't get too close, Daddy, or you'll catch a cold too.
Oh, no. But how will I ever get the tissues all the way to the bed?
We can use the tissue train instead. Choo-choo.
So, are the patients feeling all better then? I'll take that as a no.
Don't worry, I've got just the right medicine for George. I prescribe you 1 big dinosaur cuddle. Nurse Pepper's orders. Achoo! Uh-oh.
Oh dear. Now Peppa has caught the cold as well.
I can't get sick. I'm the Durs. The Durs.
Durs? What's a durs?
It's okay, Peppa. Even nurses get sick sometimes.
Unlike Daddy Pigs, we never get sick.
Achoo!
Why don't you all get nice and cozy and watch a film? You know, it's a good thing I never get ill. Otherwise, there'd be no one to look Achoo! Achoo! I'm sick too. Achoo! Oh, how did this happen?
Even Dr. Daddies can get sick sometimes.
Come on, Dr. Daddy. There's room for one more.
It's not nice to be unwell,
Thank you, Peppa.
but it's nice to be looked after by your family. Today, Peppa and her family have come to the opticians.
Whoa!
Daddy Pig needs some new glasses. Daddy Pig?
Coming! Oops.
This way, Daddy.
Dr. Pony is an optician, which means he looks after people's eyes. So, Daddy Pig, what happened to your old glasses?
Well, there was a bit of a mishap in the kitchen with the soap and a ball and a blender.
Yep, that'll do it. We'll just do a few tests to check your eyes are healthy, and then we can see about getting you some new glasses.
Thank you. Oh,
Right, pop your chin just here and keep your eyes wide open, please.
like this?
Like this one.
Now you'll just feel a little puff of air, okay? 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Done. Now just blink lots for me.
3, 2, 1. When did you have onions, George?
Now we'll take a picture of your eye. Pop your head here, please.
okie dokie.
We can take pictures of our eyes too, George.
Hold nice and still.
I can see you.
And all done. Your eyes look very healthy, Daddy Pig. So now we'll see how good your eyesight is.
It's not so bad. Oh,
Okay now, focus on this picture of a hot air balloon and tell me if it's better or worse. Dr. Pony is checking how well Daddy Pig can see by using a picture.
better?
And now, better or worse?
No, worse.
And now-
Look, George. We can see a hot air balloon too.
Ah, you two must have very good eyesight to see that.
It is nice, isn't it?
Well, you still need glasses, Daddy Pig. But the good news is we have lots of options for you to pick from.
I see.
What about these?
We also have these if you'd like. They're just like your old ones.
Oh. Sold. I'll take 'em.
Aww.
Would you like an extra pair in case you have any other accidents in the kitchen with the blender? Daddy Pig loves his old glasses,
Thank you, Dr. Pony.
but Peppa and George love his new spare glasses. Today, Mummy Pig is enjoying some me time at the duck pond, while Daddy Pig has taken everyone else to the arcade.
The key is to clear your mind, take it back gently, and follow through. Your turn, George.
What's this game?
Oh dear.
Watch out!
Daddy saved Peppa, but accidentally got hit by George's bat.
Uh-oh. Sorry, Daddy. I didn't mean to.
No, I'm okay. Just a little bump.
Oh, not again. We'd better get you to the first aid room.
Mummy Pig's me time is very peaceful and quiet.
Miss Rabbit, where's the nurse?
Now, what seems to be the problem?
Ah, well,
I ran behind George, and then George swung the bat, and Daddy saved me, but he got hurt, and now everything's ruined.
Oh, that old chestnut.
Sorry, Daddy.
it's okay, Peppa. Accidents happen. They help us learn for next time. Besides, Miss Rabbit'll have me fixed up in no time.
Arm, please.
So everything's not ruined?
Oh no, it'll take more than a little bump to stop a fun day out with Team Pig, right?
Mummy Pig is still enjoying her me time,
Oh, look at this bit, Pep. Oh,
but she's missing family time as well.
maybe just a quick call to see what they're up to.
Thank you, Miss Rabbit. Now, how about that arcade? Hello?
Hi, Pumpkin. Just wanted to...
Hello? Just kidding. Please leave a message after the oink. Remember, clear your mind. Take it back gently and go.
6!
Amazing, George.
Mummy!
Oh, Mummy's here. I thought you were having some me time.
Well, I was, but I couldn't let you have all the fun. My turn, then. You know the key to cricket?
Yes, you have to clear your mind and...
Nah, you just whack it.
High score!
How was it today?
A bit more eventful than expected.
It always is. But we wouldn't change a thing, would we?
Except maybe one thing.
Oh,
Everyone loves family time,
oops.
and Mummy Pig really loves her family. It is breakfast time, and Peppa is having cereal. And so is George.
We don't eat cereal off the floor, George. It's yucky.
Ouchie! My tooth!
Let's have a look. I can't see anything, but if it's hurting, we should go and see the dentist.
Peppa isn't sure she wants to go to the dentist.
Actually, it's all better now. Oh, ouch.
You know, Peppa, these things only get worse if you ignore them. What do you think?
I think we should go to the dentist.
That's my girl.
Yay!
Peppa has come to see Dr. Elephant the dentist. She is a bit nervous.
Thank you, Dr. Elephant. Look, Peppa. Dr. Elephant gave me a sticker and a new toothbrush because I was so brave.
Peppa's feeling a little nervous.
I was scared too. But don't worry. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Papaya Pig, please. Whoops, I mean Peppa Pig. It's been a long day.
I can be brave too.
Pop these on, please. OK, Peppa, ready to take a ride in our very special chair? All aboard!
Whoa!
Look, Peppa, someone has a message for you.
Welcome to the dentist. Dr. Elephant is going to take excellent care of you.
Open wide, please, Peppa.
Ah!
Well, Peppa, looks like you've got a bit of food stuck in between your teeth causing trouble. But don't worry, we can take it out for you.
Okay.
Don't worry, Peppa. It won't hurt a bit. Will it, Miss Rabbit?
Not at all. In fact, all done.
Oh.
See?
But it didn't hurt even a little bit.
Of course it didn't.
Dr. Elephant is a very good dentist.
You were so brave, Peppa. I'm very proud of you.
And because you were brave, ta-da!
Thank you, Miss Rabbit. Thank you, Dr. Elephant.
Sounds like someone is still very hungry.
And I know just what I want.
All that bravery at the dentist has made Peppa extra hungry.
George, come back!
Today, everyone is at the town fete. Peppa is running a three-legged race with Danny Dog. But Danny is very excited about the prize. A yummy toffee apple.
Down, Danny. I can't keep up. Whoa! Ow! Peppa! Yay! My knee.
Oh, Peppa, sweetheart.
Let's get you over to the first aid tent, Peppa.
Up you get.
Sorry, Peppa. I didn't mean to. It's okay.
Don't worry, Danny. Accidents happen.
Peppa has come to the first aid tent, where Miss Rabbit can check her knee.
Oh no, what's happened here then?
I fell and hurt my knee.
Oh, that must have given you a fright.
And I didn't win a toffee apple. Oh. Thanks, George.
That's very kind, George.
Well, let's have a look in my first aid kit. It's where I keep everything I need to make knees like yours all better.
Ah.
First, we need to make sure your knee is clean, so I need to give it a little spray, okay? This might sting a bit, but I promise it'll be over in a jiff.
Okay.
Let's count to 3 and take a big breath. 1, 2, 3. Big breath. All done.
Oh. That's it.
Yep.
You're being very brave, Peppa.
And now we just need to find a plaster to put on it. Which one would you like? I've got lots.
Ooh.
Never mind, George. Accidents happen.
Can I have this one, please?
Yep. And all done. Your knee should feel good as new.
Wow! It feels as good as new. Thank you, Miss Rabbit. Oh no! Sorry, George.
It's okay, Peppa. Accidents happen.
I think we'd better go and find another toffee apple or two.
Yay!
Peppa is very happy her knee is feeling better. Everyone is happy Peppa is feeling better. Today, Peppa's family have brought Mummy Pig for a checkup.
Some days they just don't settle, do they?
Well, it's lucky I've got the magic touch, don't I? Yes, I do. See? They're A-OK.
Baby at the baby check! Are you okay, Mummy?
Oh, yes, thank you, darling. It's just starting to feel very real.
Don't worry, Mummy. It'll be A-OK, just like Daddy said. I know. Now we can have a baby check together.
Oh, thank you, Peppa. I feel better already.
Whoops!
Mummy Pig? Come on, little piggies.
Hello, Mummy Pig. And oh, hello, Peppa. Have you come for your baby check too?
Yes! Whoops!
Lovely. Well, I just need to do some quick tests to make sure you and the baby are healthy. First, I'll need to listen to your heartbeat, Mummy Pig.
You can listen to my heartbeat first, Dr. Polar Bear. That way Mummy will know it's A-OK.
Oh, Peppa, that's very sweet.
Perfect. You both have very healthy hearts.
Yay!
We'll use this tape to measure your bump and see how the baby is growing.
Oop, I think I need a toilet break. Honestly, it's like every 5 minutes.
That's okay. you can fill this.
Fill it with what? Hey! George, stop it!
Much better.
Now that Mummy Pig is back, it's time to listen to the new baby.
This machine is called a Doppler. It's a bit like a microphone, so we can hear the baby.
I can't wait! I have so many questions. Hello, little baby. I'm your big sister Peppa. Baba! What is your favourite colour? Do you like muddy puddles or... Are you sure?
Great questions, but the baby can't talk quite yet.
Aww.
But if we listen closely, we'll be able to hear something very special.
Is that the baby's heart?
Yes, and it all sounds perfect.
It's going to be a real baby, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
What if the baby doesn't like teddies or spaghetti or me?
Don't worry. Everything is going to be A-OK.
Peppa's very excited to meet the new baby. And the baby can't wait to meet her either.